In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to show the sale percentage on Shopify. Our first step will take place in your Shopify admin dashboard, where you will find a section titled Discount. This is where we'll start our journey to showing the sale percentage in Shopify. As you enter this section, you will notice a button labeled Create Discount. As you might guess, you need to give that button a gentle click. This will lead you on to the next steps, which involve detailing exactly what kind of discount you'd like to offer your customers. On clicking the button, you will be met by some options. You need to select the type of discount you want to offer. For our case, opt for Amount Off products. This selection determines the kind of discount your customers will receive. The next step will involve generating a discount code. This is the code that your customers will use during their checkout, enabling them to enjoy the discount you are providing. This could be any sequence of numbers and letters you choose. Just make sure it's something your customers can remember easily. Now comes the time to set the actual discount value. You have the liberty to choose either a percentage discount or a fixed monetary amount off the product's original price. Depending on your strategy, you may choose a percentage that suits both your profit margins and rewards customers adequately. Once you're done with that, it's time to decide which of your products this discount will apply to. You can specify a few products, an entire collection, or if you're feeling generous, every product you have in your store. Another key information to determine is the timescale for your discount. This involves defining the start and end dates of the discount. This sets the duration during which your customers can benefit from the reduction. Now all your preparation and designation are complete. It's time to click on Save Discount to activate it. Just like that, you have set up your discount and readied it for use. Before wrapping up, it's a wise decision to double-check everything, from the discount code to the value, from the products it's applicable to, right until the considered dates. Ensure everything is as per your plan. With everything in order, your discount is now ready to roll out, and you've successfully learned how to show the sale percentage in Shopify. Sit back and watch your customers delight in their shopping experience, thanks to the attractive sale percentage showing up on their chosen products.